Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Orgatics oregano and black seed oil subscription. So basically when you buy a product on the official website and when you place your order, they will activate subscription on your account by your knowledge, or if you don't know anything, they will activated subscription on each and every order. Okay, so how we can cancel it? So basically the cancellation is little bit hard, but I'm going to tell you some methods by which you can cancel your subscription 100%, and this video is very helpful for you. Okay, so the first thing you can do, you can visit on the official website and you can log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account, because only if you have placed your order on the website, only you can log in into your account. If you don't place any order, you are not able to log in into your account. So you need to log in into your account by using same email address. Okay, and once you logged in, you can cancel, you can manage your subscription. And if we talk about, like, if you are not able to find your subscription on this platform, on by logging into your account, you can do one thing. You can compose an email. Okay, the email format you can see on your screen. This is the email format. You can take help from ChatGPT also, and in the email you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Okay, and once your email is done, you just need to simply visit on the official website, and you need to find their email address. Their email address is mentioned each and everywhere, like their phone number, the email address is all available on their website. Okay, you need to send the email, you need to send the email at their email address, and once they receive your email, they will reply you and they will cancel your subscription. If you don't get any reply from their side, it means your subscription is still active. You need to contact with the customer support again and again. Okay, until you get your confirmation of cancellation. And the third method, if this method will not work, so what you can do, you can contact your credit card provider, and once you contact your credit card provider, you need to make a request, like you would like to cancel your all the unwanted subscription, and only they can cancel your subscription if possible. If this method will not work, you can also cancel your credit card and you can reapply your new credit card. This is the only option to get rid of this kind of scammy subscriptions. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.